Hello, good day, everyone. Good day, my listeners. This is Muiwa Didayo. I am a lecturer. I am also an educational neuroscientist. Today, I have a very important topic to discuss with my global audience. But as a kind of as a custom that I've already established, what I would like to do at this juncture is just to acknowledge some individuals that have made it possible for me to understand neuroscience and educational neuroscience. Okay, these are Nobel laureates, these are professors. Okay, I just want to begin with acknowledging Nobel laureate or Professor Eric Kandel and some other Nobel laureates, about 4 or 5 of them, that have maybe helped me to understand educational neuroscience. Then I would like to also acknowledge Professor Jeff Littman of Harvard University and other professors that are just too numerous to start acknowledging at this moment. But one particular professor that I strongly believe I should acknowledge is Professor Wendy Suzuki. So, today's topic is extremely important. It is a topic that I title Neuroscience of Effective Teaching. Okay, this topic is extremely important in the sense that whoever is a teacher or a lecturer, that insights from this video would help that individual immensely, to achieve effective teaching or effective lecturing in the classroom or in the lecture hall. So the question, at this juncture, becomes what is neuroscience? Then second, what is education? What is neurointelligence? And neuroscience, simply is kind of is a scientific study, of the brain, and the nervous system. That is just a kind of a simplistic or a layman's definition of what neuroscience is all about. Then neurointelligence. Okay, it is a concept that I invented. And neurointelligent, simply it means having knowledge, of the brain, how the brain works and how the brain actually determines what I call T. Okay, the T, stands for our thoughts. The E is for our emotions, and A, represents action. So neurointelligence, is that realization that that our behaviors, that everything we do in life, has a kind of a biological link. That is just the little kind of maybe the a little definition of what neurointelligence is all about. Then the next question, becomes: is there any connection between neurointelligence and education itself, and by extension, the connection between neurointelligence and teaching in the classroom? Yes, based on personal experience, I discovered that the more you understand the brain as a teacher or as a lecturer, that this is going to really help you to achieve effective teaching in the classroom. So neurointelligence is just simply that realization, that consciousness of the fact that that the as your knowledge of the brain increases, so then your effectiveness in the classroom also has no excuse but to increase. So the next question in this video, in this educational video, uh, this educational neuroscience video, becomes: what are the advantages of a neuro intelligence? Yes, based on research and based on data that I've gathered for this video, there are some few okay advantages that I would like to share at this moment with my viewers. Okay, the first advantage of a neurointelligence to a teacher or to a lecturer is that one, it will make you establish the fact in a class that there's a connection between attention and academic aptitude. So, as a teacher or or a lecturer who is aware of neurointelligence, it is your responsibility whenever you are in any learning environment to make sure that your students pay attention. Like one of my neuroscience icons or models, his name is Professor Andrew Huberman, has said that there is no learning without attention. So, as somebody who has maybe the knowledge and understanding of what neurointelligence is all about, please do not forget. Make sure you that your students, that your learners pay attention. Then the second advantages, the second advantage of neuro intelligence is that neurointelligence, okay, will make you incorporate stories, okay, whenever you're teaching or whenever you're lecturing. That stories are extremely powerful, okay, if we want to achieve effective teaching in our classroom. Whenever learners hear that, look, I have a story to tell you, immediately dopamine is released in the brain. Secondly, another neurotransmitter that is released in the brain is called acetylcholine, and the third one is called norepinephrine. These neurotransmitters, okay, will help, okay, the students to do what? To store whatever information or data that the teacher or lecturer is revealing, is disseminating in the learning environment. So, as a teacher or lecturer who understand, okay, to at least modestly, okay, the importance of neurointelligence, it behooves that teacher or lecturer to do what? To add, to bring in very brief stories, and by so doing, he or she is going to do what will definitely achieve effective teaching in the classroom. Then another benefit or another advantage of neurointelligence is that neurointelligence will make a teacher or a lecturer understand, one, that there are different learning disorders, okay, plaguing students in the learning environment. Then by having this tool, or by having this knowledge at the back of the lecturer or the teacher himself or herself, whenever such, okay, evolves or maybe comes up in the teaching or learning environment, as a teacher who understands who understands what neurointelligence is all about, that teacher will be able to quickly or instantaneously, okay, come up with solutions to resolving, okay, any of these learning disorders like ADHD, okay, like dyslexia, like dyscalculia, etc. Then on the final note, just because of our time, okay, neurointelligence will make, okay, a teacher or a lecturer be conscious of growth mindset. Growth mindset, okay, is a concept that I strongly believe that most of my viewers, okay, have heard about. Okay, it was, okay, a concept that a Stanford professor of psychology, her name is Professor Carol Dweck. Okay, she was the inventor, and presently I think she has written books, okay, on this very important concept. Okay, it is a concept that tries to promote effort. So, in the learning environment, and as a teacher or lecturer who understand what neuro intelligence is all about, that it is important that the teacher, okay, tries to do what? To promote effort. Okay, to try to make the students, okay, understand that, look, it's not most of the time it's not the outcome that actually matters, but that the effort that a student put, okay, into trying to solve, okay, whether mathematics problem or trying to in the process to maybe to answer, okay, a comprehension passage, etc. So there are lots, okay, to really reveal to us, okay, with regard to this idea of neurointelligence. But just because of this is a video, what I'm going to do is this: in subsequent videos, okay, I shall be making reference to what neurointelligence is all about. So thank you so very much, okay, for your time, and God bless you all.